Welcome to Art Lesson 3, Gravity-Defying Hair and Silhouettes. We'll explore mastering character design and shape logic to create memorable characters. To think like a designer, understand what a silhouette is, a solid dark shape against a lighter background. This matters because a strong character design means they are instantly recognizable, even without seeing color or clothes. This is called the silhouette test. Stop drawing single strands of hair. Instead, use clump logic and think in shapes. Professional artists treat hair like a solid helmet or sculpture. Focus on giving the hair volume, flow, and simplifying details into large, chunky shapes. To build your hair helmet, first map the skull with a light circle. Next, outline the shape of the helmet around the head, ensuring plenty of volume. Finally, fill the shape in with black to test your silhouette outline. Compare the weak, safe, and boring silhouette on the left with the good, iconic silhouette on the right. The image on the right uses, quote, clump logic to create a unique and instantly recognizable shape. Your mission for the silhouette test activity is to draw 3 character heads, each with a unique hair helmet, one spiky, one bowl cut, and one flowing. Fill the hair completely black. The goal is a clear silhouette that identifies the character just by the outline. To wrap up, remember that silhouettes are key for character recognition, and clump logic builds volume and style. Keep observing characters in your favorite shows. How many can you recognize just by their hair shape?